ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 05-02 संन्यास कर्मयोगश्च प्लस 05-03 ज्ञेयस्य नित्य संन्यासी, a study by S.L. Abhyankar. We shall first do the basic study of the two shlokau one by one. 5-2 Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Sannyasa Karmayogascha Nishrekara Ubhau Tayostu Karma Sannyasat Karmayogo Vishishyate. Padapatha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Sannyasa Karmayoga Cha Nishreyasakarau Ubhau Tayoho tu Karma Sannyasat Karmayoga Vishishyate. Vakyamshashah Vishleshanam. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Sannyasah Karmayoga Cha Ubhau Nishreyasakarau Tayoho tu Karma Sannyasat Karmayoga Vishishyate. Note, the Avyayau Cha and Tu are marked with asterisk and are placed alongside the words with which they are associated. That way they read better. Anvayarthaha Padabhyasascha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan said, Sannyasah Karmayogaha cha Ubhau Nishreyasakarau. Sannyasah. In Aptech Dictionary, Sannyasah, leaving, abandonment, complete renunciation of the world and its possessions and attachments, abandonment of temporal concerns. Kamyanam karmanam nyasam sannyasam kavayo viduhu. This is from Bhagavad Gita 18.2. The quote, Kamyanam karmanam nyasam sannyasam kavayo viduhu, is sort of a definition of sannyasa, or the premise by which the word sannyasa is mentioned by Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Karma yoga. Karma eva yoga iti karma yoga. In Aptech Dictionary, karman, neuter, krumanin, action, work, deed, yoga, performance of actions, worldly and religious rites. Karma yogena yoginam. This is from Bhagavad Gita 3.3, and there are many other references 3.7, 5.2, 13.24. Ubhau, ubha, sarvanam, nitya dvivachanena, atra pullingam prathama dvivachanam, nishreyasakarau. It is interesting that nishreyasakara and nishreyaskara both are valid words. Nishreyasakara is from nishreyasam, nishchayena shreyasam, where nishreyasa and shreyasa are adjectival. Nishreyaskara is from nishreyas, nishreyah, nishchayena shreyah, where nishreyah and shreyah are nouns. Kara, adjective. Ra or ri, feminine. Karoti, kiryate anena iti. Kru or kru, up. Mostly at the end of compounds. Who or what does, makes or causes. That's all. Like that. Dukkha kara, sukha kara, bhaya kara. In deciphering nishreyasakaram as nishreyasam karoti, the word nishreyasam is adverbial. Sannyasah karmayogaha cha ubhau nishreyasakarau. Renunciation and execution of actions both are benevolent. Nishchayena shreyas. Tayoho tu karma sannyasat karmayogaha vishishyate. Tayoho, tat, sarvanama. Atra pullingam shashti dvivachanam. Karma sannyasat, karma sannyasaha, pullingam panchami ekvachanam. Karma yogaha, karma eva yogaha iti karma yoga. Vishishyate, vi plus shish iti dhatu. Tasya karmani prayoge lati prathama purushaha ekvachanam. Shish has many variants, so I am making reference to shish. Shishrung, visheshane, to distinguish, to criticize, to characterize. Rudhadhi, saptamaganiyah parasmaipadi, sakarmakah anit. और शिश शिशं असर्वोपयोगे टू रिटेन टू सेव चुरादि दशमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट तयोः तु however of the two कर्म संन्यासात् better than renunciation of karma is karma yoga, that is execution of actions. Vishishyate stands out, is commendable. Chando Vishlesham of 5-2 Sannyasa karma yogascha ashta aksharani कर्म योग एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे निःश्रेयसकरा उभौ अष्टाक्षराणि करावु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तयोस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् अष्टाक्षराणि कर्मसंज्ञा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते अष्टाक्षराणि विशिष्य एतेषां मात्राः एका 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 द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दोयम्. Now we will go over to 5-3 ज्ञेयस्य नित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते. पदपाठः ज्ञेयः सः नित्यसन्न्यासी यः न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वः हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम्. यः न द्वेष्टि यः न काङ्क्षति, at both places न is avyayam but it is better connected with the dveshti and काङ्क्षति दितिगन्ता. सः नित्यसन्न्यासी ज्ञेयः महाबाहो बन्धात् निर्द्वन्द्वः हि सुखं प्रमुच्यते. Now note, I have put Nitya Sannyasi in Videya Bhave. Videya Bhave is like the predicate part of a sentence. If we consider the method of analysis of sentences in English, the first analysis is in subject and predicate, the two big components. So, Nitya Sannyasi, Saha Nitya Sannyasi Jnaya. How is it to be understood? As Nitya Sannyasi. So, this is sort of a complement and which is goes more in the predicate part. So, Videya Bhave. Bandhat nirdvandvahi sukham pramuchyate. Anvayarthaः पदाभ्यासाश्च. यः न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति सः नित्यसन्न्यासी ज्ञेयः. द्वेष्टि द्विष् धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. द्विष् द्विषं अप्रीतौ टू हेट टू डिस्लैक टू ग्रज. अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. काङ्क्षति काङ्क्ष धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. काङ्क्ष काक्षिं काङ्क्षायां टू डिज़ायर टू लॉन्ग फॉर टू विश. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट. नित्यसन्न्यासी नित्यसन्न्यासिन् प्रातिपदिकं विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. श्रेयः ज्ञेयः ज्ञाधातोः यत् विशेषणं ज्ञेय नोएबल. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. यः न द्वेष्टि ही हू डज नॉट हेट. न काङ्क्षति ही हू हैज नो डिजायर्स. सः ही एज नित्य सन्यासी एवर रिनाउंसिंग ज्ञेयः टू बी नोन इज नोन. महाबाहो महाबाहु विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं संबोधनम् एकवचनं. महान्तौ बाहु यस्य सः महाबाहुः बहुव्रीहि वन विथ लार्ज आर्म्स. निर्द्वन्द्वः हि बन्धात् सुखं प्रमुच्यते. निर्द्वन्द्वः निर्गतानि द्वन्द्वानि यस्मात् सः निर्द्वन्द्वः बहुव्रीहि वन हू हैज नो डायलेमास और ड्युअलिटीज. बन्धात् बन्धः बॉन्डेज पुल्लिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम. सुखम. Note, the commonplace meaning of sukham is happiness. But in the tabulation above of Vakyamshashah Vishlešanam, I have put it as Videya Bhave in the predicate part of the Vakyamsha because it has the adverbial sense. Sukham meaning happily. Pramuchyate. Pra plus much धातोः कर्मणि प्रयोगे लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. निर्द्वन्द्वः हि bandhat sukham pramuchyate. He who has no dualities is happily freed of bondage. Chando Vishleshana. Jneyasya nitya sannyasi ashtlakshani tyasanya. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति अष्टलक्षणानि न काङ्क्ष. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो अष्टलक्षणानि महाबा. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते अष्टलक्षणानि प्रमुच्य. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्ठुप् छन्दोऽयम्. स्वाध्यायः टिप्पण्यश्च notes of self-study. In the first shloka 5.2, sannyasa karmayogashcha nishreyasakaraho tayostu karma sannyasaat karmayogo vishishyate. The word sannyasa is initially standalone, sannyasa karmayoga. But further on, in karma sannyasaat karmayoga vishishyate, both the words sannyasa and yoga are compounded with karma. That brings clarity that here the meanings of sannyasa and yoga have to be understood in the context of karma. In the next shloka 5.3, jneyasya nitya sannyasi yo na dveshti na kankshati nirdvandvo hi mahabaho sukham bandhat pramuchyate. The word nirdvandvaha has many ramifications. By its basic meaning, nirdvandvaha is one whose mind is free of all dilemmas, for whom all dualities are resolved. In the English words dilemma and duality, the components di and do stand for two. In the word dvandva also, the conjunct consonant dva stands for two. So dvandva means two. It is said that someone thought of compiling dualities, rather couplets of words which go together, mostly antonyms mentioned in Gita. It is said that the compilation became some 180 pairs of dualities. As such, dveshti and kankshati, hates, desires, is a duality right here. Well-known couplets of antonyms are sukha dukkhe, labha labhau, jaya jayau in 2-38. There are shubha shubha, manapamana, shita oshna, ninda stuti in 12-17, 12-18, 12-19. All in all, nirdvandvaha is the state and quality of equanimity. This list of dvandvani also brings to mind a subhashitam. Ayam nijah paro veti ganana laghuchetasam udara charitananstu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. The dvandvam here is nijah paraha, mine, not mine. This same thought of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family, is very much endorsed in Ishavasya Upanishad. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhut vijanatah tatra ko moha kashokah ekatvam manupashyatah. For the wise Vijanatah, whose atma eva bhut has become sarvani bhutani, all the creation. For him, ekatvam manupashyatah, who sees all as one, there is no question of affection or of grief. Ko moha kashokah. This is endorsed in Gita also. Atmopamena sarvatra samam pashyati yorjuna sukham va yadi va dukkham sayogi paramo mataha. One who pashyati, sees, sarvatra, all over, samam, equally, sukham va yadi va dukkham, whether in the mood of happiness or of sorrow, atmaupamena, by comparison or in relation with oneself. Saha Paramaha Yogi. He is the venerable yogi. The phrase Jneyasya Nitya Sannyas in 5.3 suggests that one needs not don saffron robes to be known as a sannyasi. One is a sannyasi by one's approach to worldly matters. If one neither hates nor aspires for, is equanimous, is free of all dualities, with such approach itself, he is Nitya Sannyasi, a sannyasi always and forever, even when doing Karma Yoga, which is preferable to Karma Sannyasa. It would be good to read both the shloka together to check, appreciate and assimilate the coherence and the continuity. संन्यासकर्मयोगश्च निःश्रेयसकरा उभौ तयोस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते ज्ञेयस्य नित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते. The most assuring statement and one of final beatitude is sukham bandhat pramuchate. One is happily freed of all bondage. Shubhamastu.